pick it up from the top, hit restart. So far it's been so hard to live, but lately something in me changed. Let it go, let it be. Don't fight your way back in.
That is so cool.
I've been waiting for
Another hike.
Hi.
Hi, Aryesh.
Hello, Tisha. I've been trying. Can't shake this feeling. I've been holding on.
So we're matching set. Maggie has the green one. Nitisha, she's all the way over there. She has a blue one. And then I have the orange one. In the past, like when we were growing up, we never wanted to wear matching outfits. Like we never wanted to. And this time, we purposely selected and decided to wear matching sets for the vacation. We're almost done with our 1-hour walk. And after that, tomorrow is mainly going to be water activities only.
You see, will only stay with me. What you see, oh, stay with me, run away with me. Step into the waters. I can show you something.
I'm gonna vlog you. I don't know. Good job, you are the lion, panda, fire.
Good job, Ayu. Damn! Can you do that again?
Not too bad.
We're getting married over here. It's a very nice destination for a wedding.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even.
What are we gonna do today, Ayu? How excited are you? Can you show me?
Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got.
Let's do it again!
No!
But you did it!
That was too soon after lunch.
I just sleep talk, don't wanna wake up.
Oh, maxi dress naman to. Mom wants to show her maxi dress. She's been wanting to wear one for years. Model ka na model. Dublo na ito. Gusto dublo lambo na ito. Cheers!
Yes.
Cheers!
Then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
How do I take a photo of ourselves?
Join us!
Oh yeah, there.
Today, scuba diving was the best.
Don't wanna wake up.
Come on, kick, step, hop, kick, step, dinosaur, dinosaur. I think half of the vlog is gonna be you vlogging at you.
No, I'm taking photos. Hey, Dippy Man. Dippy Man. I know what I'm saying to you.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I think today is the first time where I actually got an opportunity to sit down and talk to you guys. It's been so hectic. Whenever I see my sister and her husband, because, hi, you ready? You gonna go for a walk? Yeah. Give me 2 minutes. Oh, we're matching, Maggie. Isaiah. No, we're all matching today. Look. Unintentionally. Hey, give me 2 minutes. But yeah, what I was saying was big kudos to them. I don't know how they're managing a 3-month-old and a 6-year-old. But after seeing them, I question myself, like, do I ever want kids? because I don't have a motherly instinct. Avi and Arish, they've been so good throughout this trip. But even with that, I question myself, like, do I ever want kids or not? Yesterday was amazing. This was one of the best guided tour I've ever done. We did 30 minutes snorkeling, and the instructor, who is also a marine biologist, he was like pointing all different fishes, corals, and telling us a little bit about them as well. And the water was pristine. It was so clear. I wish I had a GoPro or something with me to take you guys along with me, because this was one of the best view. I don't want to say view because that sounds as if it's like a skyscraper view, but you know what I'm trying to say. It was just so clear, so pristine. The other part was he made us feel so safe. Since I can't swim, I had the wetsuit on, and then the life jacket, and then we had the flippers as well. And he showed the proper way to breathe through the snorkeling mask, which I have snorkeled in the past, but never successfully, never like for 30 minutes. This was the longest I've ever done. And initially I was very scared since I don't know how to swim. He was very calming, he assured us, and we were on the ring the whole time. I don't know what the ring is called, like the floating circle ring. My mom is watching from there.
Oh, darling, stay a while and figure me out. I promise you won't regret it. No, you won't regret it.
So we're just deciding what to do later today. So today is our first day where nothing is planned out. This is just, I don't want to say a lazy day, it's more like a chill day for us. Either we'll just go to the lagoon close by, which looks very promising, or we'll stay at the hotel and enjoy the pool, or we'll go to the beach close by. He already got his ice cream here from today morning. So after dinner we ended up going to grab a couple of drinks, and after I came back, I don't know how they have this energy. They went to the casino. My mom and dad both, especially my mom, loves playing blackjack. So them and Jeff and Tisha, they're at the casino right now. And I just got done with my skincare. I am all ready to pass out. And in the morning, if we can, Bibudai, Maggie and I will go for crocodile ski diving. What is it called? It's not ski diving. Hold on. I can't remember the word and I can't find the exact words to Google it right now. I'll put it here when I'm editing. So for jet ski, Bibu and Maggie, they went together, and I didn't want to jet ski by myself. I think I would have been able to do it on my own. If it was only for like 30 minutes, I would have been able to do it on my own, but it was 1 hour. This one was a special one because it was a crocodile jet skiing. We did see one crocodile, just the back, and then it went to the water. That's when it clicked me that we are among the crocodiles. Until then, I was like, it did not even cross my mind. Since I was sitting behind the instructor, I got the best seat. I had such a best thrill ride as well. We're going super fast, taking like swift turns. I wish I had a GoPro with me. Lesson learned for next vacation. I didn't take any videos for snorkeling, and snorkeling was beautiful, breathtaking. Like I can't even put together words to describe how beautiful it is. And then jet skiing as well. I couldn't take my phone, my vlogging camera. If I had a GoPro with me, I would have been able to take you guys along with me as well, because both the experience were so worth it. This is my third time in Australia, and so far from all my experience, Australia, like if you're planning to do all these activities, I feel very safe doing it in Australia because they do have a very stringent guidelines. I really don't want to leave from here. It's been such a great experience. It is so calming.